In this video, I will show you how to find the x-intercept, the y-intercept, the axis of symmetry, and the vertex of each form of quadratic functions. This is the general form. Note that if a is positive, the parabola will concave upwards, which is a minimum point, and if the a is negative, it will concave downwards, which is a maximum point. Now, to find the y-intercept, we can simply set x to 0 or just look at c. Now, to find the x-intercept, we will simply set y equal to 0, then we will factorize and then use the quadratic formula. Now, to find the axis of symmetry, we will simply use the formula x is equal to negative b over 2a. And then to find the vertex, we'll use this formula again, and then we will plug in the calculated x value and then solve the equation. This is the vertex form. To find the y-intercept, simply set x to 0, then solve the equation. To find the axis of symmetry, simply look at h. To find the summit, simply look at h and k. And to find the x-intercept, simply set y equal to 0. This is the factorized form. To find the y-intercept, set x to 0. To find the axis of symmetry, use the formula p plus q over 2. To find the vertex, use the calculated value of x here, and then plug it in, which will give you the y value. So the summit would be p plus q over 2, comma, f of p plus q over 2. And then to find the x-intercept, you will simply look at p and q. So it will be p comma 0 and q comma 0.
Please like and subscribe, please.